everyone, welcome to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to retrieve archived email. So please watch the video till the very end to learn how you can retrieve them. First of all, you open the Gmail application. Once you open the Gmail app, you need to tap on the hamburger icon or the three horizontal lines on the top left. Tap on that. From there, you scroll down and click open the all mail. Inside all mail, you will have all the emails that are archived and the mails that are in the inbox. So you need to find out the archived emails first. For that, you can differentiate with the labeled that has been given to them. So the mail that has been labeled as inbox are already in your inbox section, and the mail that does not have any label are the archived one. Tap upon those, and there you need to tap on the three dotted lines on the top right. From there, you can tap on Move to Inbox. With this mail will be moved to your inbox. That means you have successfully retrieved your archived emails. Just like that, I'm going to show you another example. Tap on the three horizontal lines and tap on Move to Inbox. This way you can see the label has been changed and it shows that this mail is in your inbox section. So this is how you can retrieve your archived emails. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.